Welcome to online class for 10th standard. Pair of linear equations in two variables. Last time two equations are either intersecting lines or parallel lines or coincident lines. In that, when the given equations are intersecting or coincident, either two lines are intersecting or coincident lines, then the equations are said to be dependent or consistent pair of equations. When the two equations are given, the two lines are intersecting, either intersecting or coincident, then the two equations are said to be consistent pair of equations or dependent. Consistent or dependent, they call it as dependent or consistent pair of equations. Suppose the given equations are parallel lines. The given equations are parallel lines, then the equations are said to be are called inconsistent pair of equation. This is the note 1 and note 2. Next exercise number 3.1. Next exercise number 3.1. In that first problem, Aftab tells his daughter, inverted comma, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you. Where then also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. This is interesting one. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Graphically means you have to draw in graph. Algebraically means you have to find the algebraic expressions for this ages. See, at present, let Aftab's age is equal to x years. And his daughter's age is equal to y years. Next, you see here at present, let the present age of Aftab's age is x years and his daughter's age is y years. What is the condition you see here? 7 years ago. Condition is 7 years ago. Seven years ago means Aftab's age is equal to x minus 7 years and his daughter's age is daughter's age is equal to y minus 7 years. See here, 7 years ago means from here to 7 years ago, minus 7. Present age minus 7. Here also present age minus 7. What is the condition? You see, I was 7 times as old as you. Father tells Aftab's age is equal to 7 times daughter's age. This is the condition. Here condition. This is the condition. What is the condition? Aftab's age is equal to 7 times his daughter's age. It means Aftab's age is equal to what? See, x minus 7 is equal to 7 times daughter's age y minus 7. This is Aftab's age. This is daughter's age. 7 times daughter's age is equal to father's. Simplify this one. X minus 7 is equal to 7y minus plus into minus 7 7s are 49. X minus this 7y comes this side 7y. This is minus 7. This is comes this side plus 49 is equal to 0. x minus 7y, this is plus sign, this is minus sign, bigger number is plus sign, plus 49 minus 7 is 42 is equal to 0. This is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 1. Next, what is also 3 years from now? See here, 3 years from now, 3 years from now. This is the condition, 3 years from now. What is Aftab says? X plus 3. Aftab's age is equal to x plus 3 years. His daughter's age is equal to y plus 3 years. Means 3 years from now, Aftab's age is equal to present is x years. 3 years from now means x plus 3. Present age of his daughter age is y. From 3 years from now means y plus 3. What is the condition? See, condition is I shall be 3 times as old as you. See, condition is equal to, this is Aftab's age is equal to 3 times daughter's age. Second condition, Aftab's age is equal to 3 times of daughter's age. Here, second condition, here Aftab's age is equal to x plus 3. 3 into daughter's age is equal to y plus 3. You simplify this one, x plus 3 as it is. 3 into y, 3y, plus into plus plus, 3 3 is 9. Here, x plus 3 as it is. Here, 3y comes this side, minus 3y, plus 3 as it is. Plus 9 comes this side, minus 9. Next, x minus 3y, this is minus number, this is plus number. Simplify these two. Here, minus number is greater 1. Here, minus 6. This is the equation number 2. This is algebraically, here, this is equation number 1, it is equation number 2, it is algebraically completed. Next, graphically, you have to draw 2 graphs. Equation number 1 is one graph, equation number 2 is another graph. You draw graphically. See, equation number 1 is x minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. You see here, equation number 1, x minus 7y minus plus 42 is equal to 0. Here, you calculate the y value, means you leave it y value and remaining transfer. Here, y value is minus sign, that's why x plus 42 you leave it here. This one transfer this side means is equal to 7y. This is minus sign is there, comes this side plus sign. Here 7y is equal to x plus 42 by 7. Sorry, x plus 40. This is reversing the equation. Y is equal to x plus 42 by 7. This is the first equation. You have to draw box. Here x value, here y value. See here, in division, in denominator 7 is there. Always you take x value is multiple of 7. Why? Because suppose you are taking 6, x is equal to 6 means 6 plus 42 is 48. See, 6 plus 42 is 48. 48 by 7 means 7 7 is 49. It is not 49. 6 point something you will get. It is a fraction number. That's why here in division, in denominator 7 is there. X you have to take multiple of 7. Suppose x is equal to 7. Otherwise x is equal to 0. See, first time you take x is equal to 0. Next is x is equal to 7. Next x is equal to 14. See, when x is equal to 0, suppose x is equal to, suppose x is equal to 0, y is equal to x plus 42 by 7, is y is equal to 0 plus 42 by 7. 0 plus 42 is nothing but 42 by 7 is equal to 7 1 ja, 7 6 ja is equal to y value is 6. Second one, suppose x is equal to 7. Suppose x is equal to 7 means what is the y value? Y is equal to x plus 42 divided by 7. Y is equal to x value is 7 plus 42 by 7. Y is equal to 42 plus 7 is 49 by 7. 7 1 ja, 7 7 ja is equal to 7. Next, suppose x is equal to 14. Y is equal to x plus 42 by 7. Y is equal to 14 plus 42 by 7. Y is equal to 42 plus 14 is nothing but 56 by 7. 7 1 ja, 7 8 ja is equal to, this is 8. This is the equation number 1. This is equation number 1 here. Calculating the, when x value is 0, x value is 7, x value is 14, how much you will get the y value is 6, 7, 8. Next you calculate the equation number 2, same as it is. X minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. For this equation also, y is equal to, you have to find y is equal to. It means here y value is minus is there. That's why you transfer that one. X minus 6 is equal to this one. Minus 3y comes this side plus 3y. Reverse it. 3y is equal to x minus 6. Y is equal to x minus 6 by 3. Here, this is the equation. For this equation, you draw a box and find the values. This is x value, this is y value. You see here, in denominator 3 is there. X value always you have to take either 0 or multiple of 3. X value, suppose you are taking x value is 0, 0 minus 6. See here. Suppose you are taking x value is 0, minus 6 is nothing but minus 6 by 3 is nothing but 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, this is minus 2. Suppose you are taking x value is 1, minus 6 is nothing but minus 5 by 3, it is a fraction of 1 point something, minus 1 point something, it is a fraction. Don't take like this. Always in denominator what is the number is there, multiple of that number or 0 you take. Here multiple of 0, first 0, next 3, next 6. Multiple of 3, 3, 6, 9, like this. How much you want, that much you have to take values. Here first one is 0. 0 minus, you see here, suppose x is equal to 0, y is equal to x minus 6 by 3, y is equal to 0 minus 6 by 3 is equal to minus 6 by 3, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja is equal to minus 2. This is minus 2. Next x is equal to, suppose x is equal to 3. Suppose x is equal to 3. See here. Suppose x is equal to 3. Y is equal to x minus 6 by 3. Y is equal to 3 minus 6 by 3. 3 minus 6. This is plus sign. This is minus sign. Bigger number is minus. 3 minus 6 minus 3 is 3 by 3. 1 ja, 1 ja. Y is equal to minus 1. This is the minus 1. Suppose x is equal to 6. Y is equal to x minus 6 by 3. Y is equal to 6 minus 6 by 3. 6 minus 6 is nothing but 0. 0 by any number is nothing but 0 only. This is 0. When you are getting these two columns, these two brackets, these two boxes, you have to draw graph. In a graph paper, you have to draw. This is the one straight line. This is the another straight line. You have to draw these two graphs in graph paper. You see, graph paper. This is equation number 1 table, this is equation number 2 table. In equation number 1 and 2, x value is highest 14. You see here 0 is there, 7 is there, 14 is there. Here 0, 3, 6. Highest value is 14. In y value, highest value is 8 and minus value. X values are not minus here. Y value is minus 2 is here. Here, that's why you take a graph. This is y axis, as much as possible left side. You leave it 1 or 3 centimeter from the left or 4 centimeter from the left. You draw a y axis and next you draw x axis. Here in x axis 14 is the compulsory. Why? Because here 14 value is there. In y axis positive numbers 8 is there. Here positive number 8 is there. This is compulsory. You have to get. Here minus 3. This is minus 2 is there. 1 extra. Here minus 1, minus 2 sufficient. Next, this is the first equation. When x value is 0, y value is 6. X value 0 means this is origin. This is origin 0, 0. When x value is 0, y value is plus 6 means here this is the plus 6. You have to mark here into mark. This is x value is 0, y value is 6. This is, you have to write point here. Next, when x value is 7, y value is 7. X value is 7. You see here, x value is 7, y value is 7 means from here to go here. This is 7, 7. When x value is 14, y value is 8. X value is 14 means here 14. Here 8 means this is 14, 8. Using scale, you have to draw a straight line. This is straight line. Using scale, this is the straight line. This line is equal to first equation. You write first equation. What is the first equation? You write. Next, second one, you see when x is 0, y is minus 2. When x is 0, y is minus 2 means 0 means y minus 2. This is the point. This is 0 minus 2. First point. X is 3, y is minus 1. X is 3 plus 3 minus 1 means here. X is 3 minus 1 here. This is the second. 6. X is 6, y is 0. This is 6, 0. Using scale, you have to draw this one straight line. This is the straight line. You extend it. You write. This is equation number 1. Equation number 1. This is equation number 2. These two lines are, this is the first equation line, this is the second equation line. These two lines are intersect where it is. You see here, this is cross is there. When you are producing longer side, they are intersect. That is the answer. Otherwise, you leave it, you draw the graph and leave it as it is. This is the graph. This ends the first problem. Next, second one. In 3.1 exercise, second one, the coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900 rupees. Later, she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1,300 rupees. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Algebraically means, you see here, first let the cost of the bat is equal to x rupees and the cost of the ball is equal to y rupees. What is the first condition? First buys 3 bats and 6 balls. See here, 3 bats plus 6 balls is equal to 3,900. Here 3 bats means 3. What is the value of bat? First cost of the bet x plus 6y is equal to 3900. Here 3 is common. See here x plus 2y is equal to 3 1 ja 3 3 ja 0 0. This is the equation number 1. What is the second condition? She buys again another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind. One bat, see here, one bat plus 3 balls is equal to how much? 1300 rupees. Here one bat means bat, cost of the bat is equal to x plus 3, cost of the ball is equal to y is equal to 1300. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. This is algebraically means this is completed. Next graphically means you have to draw a calculate the x y. Suppose you are giving x value, some x values, and find the y values, and draw a table of this bracket equation and table of this equation. Next you draw in a graph. First equation you see here, x plus 2y is equal to 1300. We have to calculate y is equal to 2y is equal to 1300. This x comes this side minus x. Y is equal to 1300 minus x by 2. For this one you have to calculate the values of x and y. Here x, here y. See here, in denominator 2 is that this is the even number. X you have to take always even number. X you have to take always even number. Multiples of 2. Multiples of 2 means you take, better you take, here 1300 is there, better you take 100, 200, 300 like this. Why? Because suppose you are taking 2, x is equal to 2. 1300 minus 2 is nothing but 1298 by 2 is nothing but this is the 649. This is the value. Better you take multiples of 100. X you have to take multiples of 100. It means x value is 100. X value is 0. X value is 200. First one is x value is 100. See, x is equal to, suppose x is equal to, x is equal to 100. Y is equal to 1300 minus x by 2. Y is equal to 1300 minus 100 by 2 is equal to, this is 1200 by 2 is equal to, y is equal to 600. This is 600. Suppose y is equal to, x is, suppose x is equal to 0. Y is equal to 1300 minus x by 2. Y is equal to 1300 minus 0 by 2. Y is equal to 1300 by 2 is nothing but 650. Y is equal to 650. Suppose x is equal to 200. 200 means 1300 minus 200 is nothing but 1100. 1100 by 2 is nothing but 550. You calculate this one. This is the first table for first equation. This is the table for first equation. Second equation is x plus 3y is equal to 1300. Here y is equal to this one. Leave it. 3y is equal to 1300. This x comes this side minus. Y is equal to 1300 minus x divided by 3. Here, see here, y is equal to, for this one, you have to this is x, this is y. See here, 3 in denominator 3 is there, you have to take x value is multiples of 3. It means 3, 6, 9, 12 like this. Here 1300 is there. Multiples of 3 means multiples of hundreds. In 3 is hundreds. You see here 300 is multiples of 3. 600 is multiples of 3. 900 is multiples of 3. Like this you have to take x values. X value is, you see, 300. See here 300 means like this 100 wise you take. X value is how much? You see here, suppose x value is 100. Suppose x value is 100 means 1300 minus 100 is 1200. 12 is divided by 3 is, it is divisible. Like this you take 100. Suppose x is equal to 100. Suppose x is equal to 100, y is equal to 1300 minus x divided by 3, y is equal to 1300 minus 100 by 3, y is equal to 1200 by 3 is equal to 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja, 400. Next you see here 100. Next x value is equal to, suppose you are taking 200. Just you see here 1300 minus 200 is nothing but 1100. 11 is not divisible by 3. That's why you don't take this one. Here minimum value is taken 100. Next value is multiple of 3. It means 400 you take. See 1300 minus 400 is nothing but 1300 minus 400 is nothing but 900. 9 is divisible by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja. You are getting whole number. Next 400. Next again you add 300. This is 700. Suppose x is equal to 400, y is equal to 1300 minus x by 3, y is equal to 1300 minus 400 by 3, y is equal to 1300 minus 400 is nothing but 900 by 3, 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja is equal to 300. This is 300. Suppose x is equal to 700, y is equal to 1300 minus x divided by 3. Here x is equal to 1300 minus x by 3, y is equal to 1300 minus 700 by 3. 1300 minus 700 is nothing but y is equal to 600 by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 2 zeros as it is. Y is equal to 200. This is the table for second equation. This is the table for first equation. We have to draw graph. You see here in x values this is 100, this is 0, this is 200 is highest. In x value 700 is highest. X value is 700 is highest. In y value here 600, 650, here 600, 650 is the highest. Y value all are plus signs. There is no minus signs here. X values and y values there is no minus signs, all are plus. In x values highest value is 700. You have to draw minimum 7 this centimeters. See here. This is a x dash, this is x, this is y dash, this is minus 1, this is minus 1. Here this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. See here x value is 100, 200, here 400, 500. Multiples of 100 is there in x axis. See in scale x axis 1 centimeter is equal to 100 units. In y-axis you see here 650 is the 50 multiples of here 200 is there, 300 is there, 400 is there, here 550, 650, 600. 600 is the maximum, 650 is the maximum means this is the multiple of 50. That's why in y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 50 units. See, this is the 50 minus 50, this is the minus 100. Here this is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, this is 800. Here this is 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, 650. This is the graph. Here, after drawing a graph sheet, marking this one, next mark these points on the graph sheet. First x is equal to 100, y is equal to 600. X is equal to 100 means plus sign 100 here, y is equal, this is the origin 0, 0. X is equal to 100, y is equal to 6. 100 means from this line 600. See here 600. This is the 600 point. This is 100, 600. X is 0, y is 650. X is equal to 0, y is 650. 0, 650 means this is the 650. 0, 650. This is the second point. 200, 550. This is 200, 550 means this is 200, 550. 200, 550. This is the third. Using scale, we have to draw straight line. This is the through 3 points lying on the straight line. This is the first graph. This is equation number 1. This is equation 1. Next equation 2. When x is equal to 100, y is equal to 400, 400. This is 100, 400. 400, 300, 400. 300 means 400. Here 300. Next 700, 200. 700, 200 means here this is 100, 400. Next 400, 300. This is 700, 200. You have to draw a straight line. This is the straight line. Extend these straight lines where they are intersecting. This is the point. Extend these two lines where the lines are intersecting. This is the point. This is, you have to calculate here, from here to here calculate, from here to here you calculate the values. Here they are not asking any values, find the values, that's why you leave it as it is. This is the problem number 2. This line is for equation 2. This is for equation 1, this is for equation 2. Next, third one problem in 3.1 exercise, third main problem, you have to calculate and find the algebraically and graphically in your home, that is homework. Next class we shall take 3.2 exercise. Okay, thank you.